Okay, I'm going to demonstrate external ear oiling. I'm going to use St. John's wort infused herbal oil, and St. John's wort is antiviral, it's antibacterial, it's anti-inflammatory, and it's vulnerary. So it reduces inflammation, it helps reduce infection, and it heals the skin. And I actually don't put oil in the ear. I know a lot of people do, but I've had a couple experiences where the oil has really made an infection worse, an ear infection worse. But I use this if you feel like, definitely if something persists or, you feel like things aren't right, go get it checked out. It's always good to know what you're dealing with. But if you're dealing with congestion, a mild earache, a little bit of ear pain, sometimes ringing in the ears, this is a really simple home remedy that can really help. So what you do is you just put a little bit of oil in your hand, and it just really depends on the size of the person. And what you want to do is you want to oil all around the ear. So we're going to ear oil, we're going to go like this. And I'm going to go, and you want to make sure your hands are washed and clean and dry. And you're going to oil, you're not going to stick in like that, but you're going to go all around the ear. And you're especially going to go like this so you drain the lymph, right? See that? And so you get down in here and you just help the lymph to drain and just moisten this entire area. And you can do this 3, 4, 5 times a day. And it's amazing. I've seen this really help people with the beginnings of an ear infection. You can get in here and really drain the lymph and just get all the oil on there. And you can put as much oil as the skin will drink. And you can do that several times a day. And that's external ear oiling.